Crocheted Lace Cords Tutorial 11. This time I will be showing you how to crochet a cord with square spaces. Later I will be using this cord in our bigger projects. Make a foundation chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue with 2 double crochet cluster stitch. Chain 2 more for the first double. Double crochet through the third chain stitch away from the hook. Do not finish the stitch, you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and complete the cluster. Now make a double crochet in each of next 2 chain stitches. 1 and 2. And through the last chain stitch make a 2 double crochet cluster stitch. Start the first double, work it like you would until you have 2 loops on the hook. Then start the second double through the same last chain stitch, work until you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 3 loops on the hook. Now turn the work counterclockwise and continue with 2 double crochet cluster stitch. Chain 2 to replace the first double, work a double crochet through the same stitch that the chain stitches are coming out of. Work until you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and complete the cluster. Chain 2, 1, 2, and make a 2 double crochet cluster stitch in 2 loops of the last cluster stitch on previous row. Do not finish the first double, start the second one through the same stitch. Do not finish it as well, you have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and complete the cluster. Now turn the work and work the cluster stitch again. Chain 2, double crochet through the same first stitch, work until you have 2 loops on the hook, yarn over and finish the cluster. Double crochet 2 into the following chain space. And again make a 2 double crochet cluster stitch in two strands of the cluster stitch. Turn the work and work the same. 2 double crochet cluster stitch, chain 2 and make a 2 double crochet cluster stitch in 2 loops of the last cluster on previous row. Now turn the work again and repeat the row that was before the previous row. Work the cluster, double crochet 2 into the chain space of 2 and make a 2 double crochet cluster stitch in 2 strands of the last cluster. Continue and repeat as many times as you need. The cord has cute little square holes and doesn't have back or front sides. If you choose the variegated yarn, the cord will look like this. It is a good idea for belts, bag holders, and other things. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe.